Okay, I'm making this video for myself. This is a 2013 F-250 6.7, and I just wanted to see how to do the fastest way to do a cranking nose start if I wanted to make it do a crank nose start. So basically, let's see, exit here. We go to exit back. Obviously, we go to start all the way from fresh. Engine. Go to functional test, output controls, and then we would go to fuel pressure control valve. And so it starts off at 20%. If we go down to 0, there's going to be issues. The software doesn't like it. And the minimum it can be is 10, so go down to 10. And then we don't have to do this, but I wanted to change the list to show fuel because I want to actually see what the control valve pressure is. Let's see here, where are we? Fuel oil pressure is the desired, and then fuel pressure control valve percentage. Okay, so that's going to show us what it looks like when we're doing a crank nose start. Again, this truck will start just fine. It's just I'm doing this on purpose. Like, say for instance we have low compression. It seems like the customer is complaining about low compression in the cylinder. We want to listen to the engine without it starting up. And so we want to basically disable the fuel system so that we can hear it cranking, of course, and that we can listen for an actual low compression of a cylinder. This is how we would cause it to not start. Obviously, you can hold the fuse or the relay, for the fuel system. You can also unplug the fuel pressure control valve, which is on the fuel rail itself. That will also cause this to occur. But if you want to just do it fast with a scanner, this is the way to do it. So now I'm going to go ahead and crank the engine just to listen to what it sounds like, and we'll see that it will not start. Okay, so that is obviously how we can get it to do it. We can listen to it. Now go back and basically being done with that. Now that we've completely exited that, it should start back up. Let's see. Yeah, and it does. You can hear it, it's running. So that's all we need to do to get it to just crank no start on purpose so that we can audibly listen to the compression if we wanted to.